If you love Europe but hate missing great food, this one's for you. Lisbon's vegan scene is booming. Here are 5 spots you can't skip. Ready for a 1-minute foodie sprint? First up, the Green Affair sleek plant-forward dishes that taste like Lisbon sunshine. Next, AO26 vegan food project, huge flavors, cozy vibes, perfect for a relaxed dinner. Third, Jardim das Cerejas all-you-can-eat vegan buffet, brilliant for big appetites and tiny budgets. Fourth, O Botanista creative plates and killer cocktails, great for a date night. Finally, the food temple tucked in Muraria, intimate and packed with soulful home-cooked vegan goodness. Pro tip: go early or book these spots, fill fast. Hit the comments with your favorite and I'll add it to my Lisbon list.